and it is the Chitu box. So I already have the Chitu box downloaded, so if you don't have it, make sure you install it. So let's go ahead and open it up. So this is what the Chitu box looks like. And so to add the Saturn parameters, what you can do is click on settings here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new printer, click on it. And here we have some choices of all the printers. And if we scroll down just a bit, we can see Saturn is right here. So it's already in the system. Press OK, and everything else should be exactly where it needs to be for this printer. So this is really easy, and we don't have to do much. So now we're on the Saturn profile. And by the way, this is our print size right here, which is 192 by 120 by 200 high. So a very nice size for a resin printer. All right, so if we exit this out, we can see this is our build plate of the Saturn. So let's go back to our file here, the test file, and I guess we're just gonna slice this ourselves. So we just drag the file in there and drop it, and it's gonna position itself right in the middle. So we're not gonna do anything to this because it should print without any kind of modifications. But if you wanted to do modifications, you have a few choices of what you can do. So if you select the model here, you can change the axis of it, rotate it different directions, resize it different sizes, and even mirror it. So all the way up here we have a few more options, and one of the more important ones would be hollow and dig hole. And this is where you can make a model hollow on the inside and then dig holes through the model to drain the resin out. And over here on the side we have more controls. So here's our looking field, you can go to wherever you want. And then here we have layers, so you can go through your layers. This right here is the file, and then the settings button that you guys saw, and this will be the slice button that you push when you're ready to print. But over here you can see we have the support section. So if you click on this, you're going to get all these different parameters for support. So but with this print and many others, actually you don't have to do anything, you just print it the way it is. So let's go ahead and click the slice button, and it's going to slices a code. And so here it projects an image of what is going to be printing each layer. And there's a total of 999 layers on here, quite a few layers. So here it says the volume, the weight, and I guess the price of about how much it costs according to some parameter. And most importantly, the time it will take to print this rook, which is 5 hours and 43 minutes. And the reason it's gonna take that long is because it's actually quite a large piece and quite tall. So now all we gotta do is click save, and it will put it in our thumb drive. And just like that, it's going to write the file and save it. And then we're going to go to the printer and print this piece out.